In this video, you'll learn how to connect your OKX wallet to PixelTap. By following these steps, you will be able to integrate your wallet seamlessly and access your digital assets within the PixelTap platform. Begin by opening the Telegram application on your device. If you haven't installed Telegram yet, please do so from your device's app store. Once you have Telegram open, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in PixelTap bot or Pixelverse to find the appropriate bot. When the search results appear, tap on the PixelTap bot to access it. After opening the bot, look for the Start button at the bottom of the screen and tap it to initiate the interaction with the bot. Once you tap Start, the game interface will open. This is where you will manage your wallet connections and gameplay activities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will provide options for connecting your wallet and accessing various features within the game. Next, you will need to open the Wallet Connect feature inside PixelTap. To do this, locate the section that displays options for Wallet, tap on Wallet, then select Connect Wallet, and finally, tap on AirDrop. This will lead you to the next screen where you can choose to connect your wallet. In the following menu, select Connect Wallet. From the list of available wallets, choose OKX Wallet. If you do not see OKX listed, you can alternatively select Wallet Connect, which functions similarly and will allow you to connect your OKX wallet through a QR code or link. After selecting OKX Wallet, a pop-up from the OKX app will appear on your device. In this window, tap the Connect button to initiate the connection process. You will then be prompted to confirm the signature for the connection. Once you confirm, the connection will be established, and you will see a confirmation message indicating that the process is complete. Your wallet address should now be visible within the PixelTap interface, allowing you to access your assets easily.